Well, good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, and we are here to do 2 days of our countdown to Christmas. And sadly, it's not the patterns. This is what I was able to get accomplished in 1 evening and 2 days. So, not as much as I would have liked, but I think I did pretty good. So I started off with some easy stuff on Sunday evening because I was tired and wasn't feeling too ambitious. So I was trying to do a little bit of like batch work, but my Michael's order hasn't shown up yet. So I'm getting a little low on colors that I need. So I did some chicks and eggs, and I only did 2 white eggs because I'm almost out of white, and I did 4 of the brown eggs with the seed pearl because that I have like a full skein on. So we had yellow chick in the 2 white eggs, and yellow chick in the brown, and yellow chick and a white chick. And I didn't have red, but I had mango in the little bunny, so I used mango. It looks okay. So I was able to get 6 of these done, and I believe that gives me a total of 10. So I should hopefully be good with those. I don't know. Everybody takes stuff with them to crochet at the market. Usually when I try to do that, I can't get to it. But how do you know which yarn to take? Like, you can't take everything. And you can't take all the stuffing in every size eye. How do you know what you want to sit there and make so that you take the right stuff? Inquiring minds want to know. So once I completed those, I decided to start on the dumpster fires. And again, thinking I'm going to do some batch work. So I made all my lids. Then I made all the bases to the dumpster fire. Now this is, I started the lids Sunday night. And then I was finishing up on Monday. And I felt like it took me all day. Like, just all day, especially when I got to the flames. The lids weren't bad. To make the 5 lids, that was no big deal. That was pretty simple and kind of mindless. I had to pay a little closer attention to when I got to the actual dumpster itself. Like, I was making one and going up the sides and realized, oops, I forgot to put the legs on it. Frog it out. Probably because I was talking on the phone. And then I start to crochet the lids on, get the eyes put in place, because I do like little more than half of the lid and then do the eyes so that I can hopefully get them a little centered. And the last thing I do is put the sign on. So I get all the dumpsters with the eyes and lids attached and set them aside, and I start working on the flames. And this is the part that took me forever. And you wouldn't think that it would because it's just small pieces, but because I did 5 dumpster fires at once, I was making 20 sides to the large flames and 10 sides to the small flames, and then put the trim around them all, then sew them all together, and then sew them on the little boxes. And I don't like doing that. I would rather make one from start to finish. It seems like it's faster to me. I may be wrong, but I got so bored doing the flames. So, I won't do that again. I will do one at a time, start to finish. I can't. It was too much. So we got this blue, and then I did another shade of blue. And an emerald green. And a toffee for those that have the tan dumpsters. And then I was like, what other color do I want? So then I did one in seal gray. So yeah, we have 5 dumpster fires done. Is 5 enough? No, definitely not. So probably my first thing today is going to be make a dumpster fire. Just one. And then move on to something else. Because I have some. I would like to have a lot more some. But I've got some there. So once we finished the dumpster fire and it had eaten up most of my day, I switched to rubber duckies. Now, again, I'm almost out of yellow. So I had to switch yarn that I did these with. So what I'm going to do is probably put these out first, and if they sell out, then I'll put the other 2 out that are made from the other yarn, because these are going to end up being a little bigger, and, you know, they feel different. And the one thing people always say is how soft the yarn is. But and Bernat, the blanket yarn does not feel the same as like Parfait or Sweet Snuggles Light. So we did 3 rubber duckies, and each one, even though I did the beaks the same way, each beak turned out just a little bit different. So I guess that is the advantage, disadvantage of handmade. So we got 1 and 2, and this one I think is the one that the beak turned out the best on. I just like how it came out more rounded. And 3. So 3 yellow duckies. And so far, I have not made one single thing that is not, that I didn't highlight as something that I would like to remake for this upcoming market. So then Tuesday comes around, and I was having a tough time getting started. Get up kind of late for me, and mess around with the cats. And then I decided, oh, let me just go ahead and get all caught up on comments. And I was good through like 11 a.m. yesterday. I'd caught up on all the comments, which felt good to be able to do. And then I said, all right, what do I want to make? So let's do a moose. So I made another moose. And this one, I got the moose done fairly quickly. You know, considering my only complaint, and this complaint's going out to you, Premier Yarn. I do not like how your yarn is feeling these days. It's awful. And the teddy bear that I am down to is that it just doesn't have that soft, silky feel. It feels more like Bernat. It doesn't look as clean and smooth. Like, I don't know, it looks worn by the time you get finished making your piece. So anyways, we got another moose made. I ran out of poppy, so I had to use cardinal for the red. And all 3 of these colors, with the exception of the espresso, the teddy bear, the cardinal, and the toffee, are all the not so silky smooth feeling yarn. Got some fuzz up here. So you can see how that looks rough? This one's smoother. It doesn't quite look rough and worn. Like, oh, it's hard to show you on here. I mean, you guys know what I'm talking about. So, I don't know. I'm struggling with that yarn. Not to mention, it's harder to work with because there's more drag on the hook. And I really do like the feel of the old Parfait Chunky. So Premier, if you are listening, please fix the yarn. Please. So after I finished the moose, I decided to do one of the Paw Patrol dogs. But because I didn't want to mess with that little Brown, the teddy bear, anymore, I did Marshall. Now, might be my imagination. I'm not sure. Because I sold Chase and not Fifi. Sky is still in one of the tote bags. I'm not going to go digging for it. But I feel like this one turned out a lot smaller. So the only part I struggled with on this was the hat. You have to do a front post single crochet in the hat to give it these ridges. And it was very hard to see with this yarn. So that slowed me down on that piece. I had to take my time and really concentrate. So, and I still don't know if I got it right, but it's going to work. So here is Marshall. His hat comes off. I can attach the hat, but with the ears are so cute. Why would you want to cover those up permanently? So I'm choosing to leave the hat as being removable. So there's Marshall. Oh, I got to get my lint roller out. And the white was wonderfully smooth to work with. See how nice and clear you can see those stitches? And then the red was that ucky, I don't like the feel of it. I don't know. Premier, you need to get your poo-poo together. So I was able to get 16 plushies done. And let's see. It's over $200 worth. So, if they sell. But today, like I said, I think I'm going to maybe convince myself to do another dumpster fire. Now I'm out of sunshine yellow and I have to use regular yellow. I'll show you the difference. This is the regular yellow in the hat. That's the sunshine yellow. So, yeah. So they're going to be different. They won't look the same. And then my orange. Oh, I'm on my last skein of the tangerine. And it is just awful to work with. Awful. So when I do the flames, I have to leave a tail on each side with the orange because I barely make it up one side before it's just impossible to work with to sew them together. And so I have that and then the other go up the other side with the other tail. Oh, Premier really needs to get their act together on that yarn. I don't know. Those of you who use Hobby, whatever, and you use their, like their Honey Bunny, is it having the same issue? Because some of the Michaels yarn is like that. Almost all of the Parfait Chunky is like that. So is Honey Bunny having the same issue? I mean, I hate to have to switch up and order from somewhere else, and it's going to take longer, and it's going to cost me more money. But I need some quality materials. We all need some quality materials to work with. I already know I don't like the toucan. I have some likes and some dislikes about it. The toucan it's more like closer to posh as far as like it has structure to it, but it is the worst in the world if you have to frog it. I mean, all the chenille yarn is bad, but toucan's really bad if you have to frog it. So you either need to be an expert in counting and never make a mistake, or every project you're going to have a little frogging in. Well, that's all I've done. That is all I've done. My fingers are a little sore. Probably because I did the Moose and Marshall in the same day. But a lot of it has to do with because the yarn is not good and there's so much drag on the hook. It's making it harder to work with. And it's like almost every color I have left is awful, just awful. I don't know what to do with it. I mean, I can't just throw it away, so I need to use it, but it doesn't look as nice. I don't feel like I don't feel like the quality of my work is showing with that yarn, if that makes any sense at all. Okay. I don't want to be a bummer. All right. I need to get to work. This won't take a lot of editing, so I should be pretty quick for me and get it uploaded. I have to make a thumbnail. Yeah. Hopefully I'll be able to upload another video on Friday. Friday's going to be rough. We have to go to John's sister's house for a dinner, and that's going to cut into my time. Not to mention have everything loaded to be able to leave the next day. I need to get the canopy and stuff out of the car, things that I don't need. And I've got a lot to do. Okay, you guys, I will see you in the next video.